Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this short video that I'm going to be kind of review this Ridgid brushless half-inch impact wrench. This is the wrench that I got it for free because I bought a set of Ridgid hammer drill and the impact one. To my surprise, it's really good. You know, I used to loosen my lug nuts. I used to turn on the compressor, use my impact, you know, and then take it off. But with this Ridgid impact wrench, it took out my lug nuts like within a couple seconds. I'm going to show you a short video clip after this, okay, so you can see it yourself. So this one by itself is $149, but right now I think you can still buy like this whole set right here for $199, and you get this impact wrench for free. That's what I did. And I also register for a lifetime warranty too. So, okay, so if you have any question, any comments, go ahead and leave me a comment below. Other than that, and thank you and enjoy the video. Okay, so I have this Ridgid impact wrench that I'm going to try to take out this my 2005 Acura RL lug nuts, and I'm going to do a tires rotation. So here's the action. Wow, that's so easy. My goodness, I don't need to have my air compressor anymore. Wow, this is amazing. Look at this tool right here. This is the Ridgid that I bought with the six tools, and I get one for free. It's so strong that it actually moved my hand too. Wow, amazing. Okay, really nice. Okay, that's how easy that is. Before I used to have to turn on my air compressor, do all kinds of stuff, but now that's it. Okay, so that's the Ridgid. The model number is, it's R86011. Okay, so really nice one.